Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the steps that you need to follow in case your keyboard is not working properly. If you're typing the keys but the response is not getting displayed on the screen, or if you are typing some other thing but it is auto correcting to some other things, or if it is the input is coming in a different language. So all of these issues, how are we going to solve this, we are going to see in this video. So for this purpose, what I'm going to do is very simply use a virtual keyboard. So virtual or an on-screen keyboard is available. So how do you go to that? You can just go to the search bar and just type in on. So if these two buttons are available, you are able to use them, then use the on-screen keyboard for this purpose. The reason I'm doing this because if you are clicked on this video, that means you're facing some issues with your keyboard, so it's better to use a virtual keyboard for this purpose. Okay, so then right click, so basically open up the search bar and just type in trouble. So troubleshoot settings will be open up. Let's just click on that and let me minimize this keyboard for now. So this is the troubleshoot settings display page. Go to additional troubleshooters, give it a few seconds till it loads properly. When it's loaded, go to find and fix other problems, and here you will find keyboard. So if you see it says that find and fix problems with your computer's keyboard settings. So just click on that, click on run the troubleshooter. It's going to take a few seconds. It's going to detect the issues and auto fix them if there are any of the issues that are found. So in my case, no changes or updates were necessary because of course my keyboard is working fine. But in your case, if your keyboard is not working fine, then it is a high chance that your troubleshooter will give you some issues and it will actually fix that issue. If it is not fixing that issue, you can go to detailed information. So the troubleshooting report will show you the issue, and from here you can actually fix this issue. Then again, I'm just going to click cancel for now. So the issues with your keyboard might have been fixed for now. If they are still not fixed, then what you need to do is again open up your on-screen keyboard, again go to the search bar and type in settings, SETT. So this settings app should be opened. Just click on there, and here we need to go to time and language settings. Make sure that the language that we are using in our keyboard is actually the correct language. It's not some other language that we are using. So for this, go to this language option. Here you will see the language that is being used for different purposes. So for Windows display, we are using the United States English, which is good. For apps and websites, we are using Indian English, which is okay. For the regional format, again, we are using the Indian English. For the keyboard, we are using US English, which is okay. For the speech, we are using Indian English. So in my case, it is all correct. If you notice that for your keyboard it is not United States English or UK English or whatever language you prefer, if it is not that, then you can change that particular language by clicking on that particular keyboard. Use language list. So here you can manually choose that particular language. So once it's done, close this menu, then your keyboard should work fine and you won't need this on-screen keyboard anymore. So we can just close this on-screen keyboard as well. So that's it for this video. That's how you can fix the keyboard issues that are related to your own keyboard. But if you're using an external keyboard and still facing some issues, then there might be issues with the drivers. So how do you fix those issues? Just right click on the start menu, go to the device manager. Here go to keyboards. Here make sure that your external keyboard is showing over here. If it is not, go to action, scan for hardware changes. Once the scan is complete, then your external keyboard should be available over here and you should be able to use it to type. And if it still doesn't work, then one of the most probable causes could be a num lock or some other lock key that you have used. So make sure those are not there, and then your keyboard should be up and running fine. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.